hello and welcome! We meet again. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Deepz. Today's video is a little bit different and let me explain why. I asked my boyfriend to select an easy recipe for me to follow and send me the list of ingredients. We have the ingredients right here. We have the recipe video here. I have no idea what I'm making. So let's get right into the video and find out.
Chicken bacon ranch, baby.
Chicken bacon ranch, baby.
It's a classic.
Okay, so that's what we're making today, and this is a video from Sam the Cooking Guy. He has a lot of videos where he is making delicious recipes. This is one of them. I've never seen his videos before, but I will leave his link down below in the description for you to go check it out. So let's see how we're going to get started.
We're taking the relatively simple chicken bacon ranch and
You're gonna fast forward a little bit.
yep, this works.
Okay, so the first thing he's doing is he is cutting the bacon in half, dipping it in flour and putting it into the oven, and then we move on to the next part. So let's get that done. Alright guys, we've put the flour on the bacon. This is going in the oven for about 25 to half an hour at, I'm going to say 200 degrees. If you can increase it to 350, increase it, but my oven doesn't go more than 200, so we're going to put 200. Okay, so the bacon is in the oven and we'll let that do its thing on its own. We're moving on to the chicken, so let's see what we need to do. Okay, so we're now making the seasoning for the chicken. So he's first starting with hot paprika and onion powder. Bad news, we don't have onion powder, so we're going to skip that. 3 teaspoon of hot paprika, so let's get that in there. That looks about 3 tablespoons. So we don't have the onion powder. Let's see what he's adding next.
And now, garlic powder.
Okay, we have garlic powder.
We're gonna be fine. Everybody, we're gonna be fine.
Thank you, I need that.
Calm down. I need some thyme, dried.
Okay.
I need some oregano.
Oregano, we have
Oregano, as we call it. And cayenne.
We don't have cayenne. We're going to skip
Last
that.
but not least, Max, all salt.
Salt. Okay, let's all add that
Mix.
into it. Okay, so as you would have seen, I don't have onion powder or cayenne, so we'll just do with what we have. So after the pepper, we're adding garlic powder, about the same amount. This is oregano, we're adding oregano now. Looks about right. He has no measurements and nor do I, so you see where this is going. What's this one? Thyme. Thyme or thyme? No idea. And then a little bit of salt. That'll be enough. Should we add some pepper? Just let's add some pepper. He's not added it, but I don't have cayenne or garlic powder, so we're just gonna add that in. And then we mix all of that and get our nice little seasoning. I'm gonna add some more herbs. Is it herbs or herbs? Herbs. I feel like we should add a bit more garlic powder. This is going well. It's okay, it happens. Okay, that's enough. Okay, Sam, next.
Beautiful. This we can now apply to our chicken breasts.
Okay, we now are going to apply the seasoning to this beautiful chicken breast. Look at this, juicy. Okay, let's go. I'm going to start from the outside. Okay, before you apply the seasoning, you want to make some slices so that it just penetrates the chicken. Okay, and then we are going to grab our seasoning and just shower that baby with some love. Alright guys, we are done seasoning the chicken breast. Look how delicious that looks. So the way he's doing it, he's just putting it first on the grill and then finishing it off on the side with his fancy oven or fancy grill. We don't have that, so what we're going to do is put it in the oven first and then finish it off on the hob with some oil. So I will be right back. So while the chicken is grilling, baking and whatever, we are going to see what's next. Next up, we're making the sauce. So we need mayo, sour cream, chive and dill. I couldn't find dill, so I didn't get that, but we have the mayo and then the sour cream with the chive dip, and we also need milk. So let me just tell you the measurements for that. So that's half a cup mayo, a third cup of sour cream and a third cup of regular milk. So let's get that done. In goes the mayo. Okay, next goes the sour cream, so we want a third of that. In goes the milk. Okay, so we've got the sour cream, chive, mayo and milk into this, and we are adding fresh parsley. Fresh parsley, garlic and lemon, so let's get that done. Okay, so the chicken is cooking, the bacon is done. We're next moving, and the sauce is done. We're next moving on to the garlic butter for the bread. So let's see how to do that.
First things first, we need to melt some butter, Max. Do you know why? It's for the outside of the bread.
Okay, so we add butter, then garlic, pepper, and parsley. So let's get that done. And then we want to add the parsley. And then the garlic. So we now want to put this garlic butter onto the bread. And then it's going to go in the oven. We have all the ingredients here. Time to put it all together and let's have a little feast. So first, we're going to start by cutting off the chicken. So I'm going to just bring this closer. this beautiful chicken. Oh. So you want to cut this into small strips so you can just put it on top of your bread. Oopsie. Very nice. Okay. You then want to grab a piece of bread, put it face down, and then we want to cream this. And then we add some salad. And the bacon. And then the chicken. And then grab another one, and that's it. And voila! Okay guys, time to taste and get the verdict done. Alright, let's get it. Mmm. Oh, it's really good. So good guys, it's a simple sandwich but all the elements put together, homemade ranch sauce, it's just so delicious. Sorry, I'm eating and talking at the same time. Now it. But that's it guys, as you can tell, very simple sandwich but every element added into it makes it such a delicious sandwich. So easy to make, you know what to do. Try it at home, let me know what you think, tag me in pictures, and that's it. I will see you next week, same day, same time, for a new episode on Cooking with Deepz. See you next week.